Hello people, this is my fifth video of the day and like like it is with life as such, it's important that I don't start getting bored of things, because I think once you start getting bored of something, then that is not such a good thing, right? It will affect the way you perceive the rest of the world and life as such. That if you notice, yeah, there are many people who are basically bored in their relationship. I mean, in fact, that's like, I don't know, quite a number of people. Majority of couples after a point, I think they just get bored. So be it these YouTube videos or thing, I just need to persevere, and then finally it will yield results, because I think anything unique is a good thing. And and wow, that will be so nice to be called a YouTube star. I think I'll really look forward to that. And this is my first video that is only 1 minute, so I think I'll keep it like that. So thanks for watching people, and please subscribe.